Welcome back to my channel. I recently had a subscriber ask me a question. What happens to his pensions if he decides to live in a foreign country? Let's take a look and see what happens. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and the notification button for any future videos that I make. Thank you. Let's take a look. Many Canadians are choosing to live in another country during retirement. So what happens to your government pensions if you decide to move to a warmer climate outside of Canada? It all depends on how long you've lived and worked in Canada. Let's first look at CPP, the Canada Pension Plan. This is a contributory plan that is based on contributions made by both you and your employer during the time you worked in Canada, between the ages of 18 and 65. The more you contribute to the plan and how long you contribute will determine how much you receive during retirement. You will not pay any contributions on the first $3,500 that you earn, and you won't pay any further contributions after you've reached the maximum set by CRA each year, which is $61,600. Any income between those two amounts will have a deduction of 5.45% paid by you, an employee, and 5.45% paid by your employer. Because CPP is a member-contributed plan, it'll always be yours, regardless of where you live. If you paid in at least one contribution, you are entitled to the benefit. OAS, the Old Age Security Pension, on the other hand, comes out of the general tax revenues. If you've lived in Canada for 40 years between the ages of 18 and 65, you qualify for a full pension from Old Age Security. If you've lived here for less than 40 years, but more than 10 years, you're entitled to at least 25% of the full pension. For every year above 10 years, you'll get 1/40th of the full amount. If you decide to leave Canada to live elsewhere in the world, your eligibility to receive the OAS pension is based on having lived in Canada for at least 20 years. If you've lived in Canada for less than 20 years, then you will receive your pension check for 6 months after you've left, and then it will terminate. However, if you decide to return to Canada, you can start receiving your OAS pension again. It is possible to have your CPP or Old Age Security Pension direct deposited into your bank account in your new country of residence in the local currency. You can get a list of the countries where this is available from the Government of Canada website. If you did not live in Canada for long enough to get a full pension, or you moved to Canada from another country, you may also qualify to combine your pensions from both countries. Canada has many international Social Security agreements with other countries to help citizens coordinate their benefits. Check to see if the country you are moving to or from is one of them. Taxation of your benefits. CRA will automatically deduct a withholding tax of 25% from your CPP and Old Age Security. You do need to be aware of this and look at ways that you can reduce or eliminate this tax. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and click the notification button to not miss future videos. Thank you.